Hi out there, everyone. Today is December 17th, 2019. Doing some work on the inside of my Texas Ranger 696F, and just wanted to show you the insides. Um, that's a 10,000 microfarad 35 volt capacitor. That's a big one. It's the biggest one I've ever seen in a radio. Pretty standard stuff. See, this one has dual finals. Does about 35 watts. This little speaker right here is for when your radio is unplugged from the wall, and you plug it back in. It makes a little bzzz sound like that. It scares the heck out of you. There's all the... I gotta clean this up. I hate tape on wires, so I'm gonna take that apart. That's for your extra channels, P5, P6 mod, headphone jack, and a Roger beep. So, have not been able to track the Roger beep board down. I know it's in here somewhere. I'm just not sure where it is, if it even has one. Let's see if we can get some more light in there. There we go. So that's the component side. The other side's just boring. There's nothing there but solder joints, etc. I'm going to replace these lights in the meters and make them a nice electric blue. I like that color. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions about this radio, please ask me. I probably won't know the answer, but by golly, I'll try. Thanks. Merry Christmas to all in 2019.